topic for today's lesson is called Introduction to Inequality. So, Introduction to Inequalities. Most students actually find this topic a little bit difficult because they find this sign here a little bit confusing. So, this represents greater or equal to, less or equal to. This means equal to. So this sign, if it's not written like this, if it's only like this, it means less than. Okay? When you have a sign like this, it means not equal to. But this one is seen as greater, less or equal to, greater or equal to. Okay, now these are all we have. I'm going to show you how easy it is for you to remember. Now, if you have a pair of tweezers, your tweezer basically comes like this. You know the tweezer you use for your eyebrows? It comes like this. Okay? Now look at this side. This side is only 1 point. And this is 2 points. So when 1 point is facing this side, and 2 points are facing this side, it means less. It means less than. This is smaller because 1 point is smaller than 2 points. Okay? When 2 points are facing this side and 1 point is facing this side, it means greater than, which means 2 points are bigger than 1 point. Okay? So this one means greater. Now let's go over to the other one. Don't forget, please always remember this. Don't forget it. When 2 points are facing this side, it means 2 points are greater than 1 point. When 1 point is facing this side, it means 1 point is less than 2 points. Okay? See, big. 1 is less than, small. Big, small. Remember, 2 sides facing this side is bigger than 1 side facing this side. Okay, this is just what I just said now. Okay, so let's go ahead and answer some questions. Hopefully this thing will come down. Now you have question number 1, which says 7 plus 10 equals to 16. No, not equals to 16. They say 7 plus. What is 7 plus 10? So what they want you to do here is they want you to find out if you add this and this, if it's going to give you this one, or if it's going to give you this one, or less answer or greater answer. That's all they want you to do. So they want you to add this. They want you to add 7 plus 10. What is 7 plus 10? I've already done it, 17. So you bring down 17 here, and you bring down 16. Look at it. Which one is bigger, 17 or 16? So 17 is bigger than 16. You put the sign here. You pick this sign, which means bigger. Some students don't know how to write it. Just go up and down. Like you're writing an Arabic symbol, you can do it. Or like you're writing 7 in Arabic. I think it's 7. No, not 7, 9. Something like that. I can't remember. Okay. The next one they have, next question, question number 2, they have 21. And they have this box here. and they have 4 and 5. Remember I told you, anytime you see something like this, 4, bracket, 5, it means 4 multiplied by 5 because there is no sign. They didn't give you additional sign here, or they didn't put additional sign here or subtraction sign, nothing. They didn't. So anytime you see a sign like this, you know it's multiplied. It can be written like this, 4.5, depending on the topic you're doing. This also means multiply. Okay? Right, so this is 4 times 5. 4 times 5, I've written it is 20. So yeah, you bring down 21 that is already there, and you check. Which one is bigger? Is it 21 or 20? Of course, 21 is bigger than 20. Okay? Then we go over to question number 3, which says 25 minus 7 and 19. Which one is bigger? Is it 25 minus 7 or 19? We don't know, so we have to find out what is 25 minus 7. 25 minus 7 is 18. It's 18. So look at it. Is 18 greater or less than 19? 18 is less, smaller than 19. 18 is smaller than 19. So we're going to do the next one. I guess before I can do this, I have to do the next one. The next one says 58 and this. Which one is bigger? 58 and this. Which one is bigger? So let's see. 58 and 7 times 8 is going to give you 56. 56. So which one is bigger? Is it 58 or 56? Let's say 58 is bigger than 56. Minus 4 times 8 and minus 30. This is where most students find it a little bit difficult. Minus 4 times 8 is minus 23. Minus 23. Minus 32. Negative 32. Negative 32. Okay. I know you'll be wondering that once you see the number, automatically you say, oh, negative 23 is bigger than, negative 32 is bigger than 30. It doesn't work that way, especially when it comes to negative. So what we are doing here, I'm going to show you or explain to you why 30 is bigger than 32. So here, 32 is smaller, negative 32 is smaller than negative 30. How? If you have, let me say you have 60, let me say if you have 60 kd, you have 60 kd in your bag, and somebody will come and remove 30 kd from you. Somebody will take away 30 kd. Okay? How much do you have left? How much do you have left? Of course, you have 30 kd left. But if you have 60 kd and somebody will come and take away 32 kd, how much do you have left? you have 28 left, right? So if you have 28 left and I have 30 left, who has the biggest? Of course, the one with 30. So that's how you see it. When it comes to subtracting, it means removing. It means removing. Okay? What are you removing? How many are you removing? What is left inside? Okay? So this is 32. You can start with -1, -1, -2, like that. -1, -1, -2. Okay, you can start. Okay, you can start anyhow you want it. It's okay. Then you have here 1, 2. Okay, now I'm gonna write -30. I just want to use this to show you something. Remember, when it comes to subtraction, negative number, this one here is bigger than the one in front of it. It's bigger than the one in front of it, just like that. Okay? When it comes to addition, the number here is bigger than this. So in addition, the higher you go, the upper you go, the higher it is. In subtraction, the lower you go, the lower it is. If you're going down, the more you go down, the more you subtract. In addition, if you're going up, the more you climb, the more you add. Okay? So the answer here, all these things I'm saying is just to let you know that 32 is less than 30. So now you have 7 plus 7. This is the next question. 7 plus -7. Like I told you, whenever you see negative and positive in the same place, negative always wins. So here is saying 7 minus 7, which is 0. So 0 and -7. From this, which one is bigger? 0 is bigger than -7. Okay? 0 is bigger than -7. The next one is question number 9. -43 and -18. So -43 plus -18. Remember, anytime you have negative and positive, negative always wins. So -43 plus -18 is going to give you -61. How do you get the -61? Remember, the formula says, remember the law says, if you have negative and negative, you add but keep the sign of the negative number. So when you see negative, you add but keep the sign of the negative number. Okay. So -43, -18. So we're going to add, but we're going to keep the sign of. We're going to keep the sign, subtraction sign. Right? So -32 minus 32. Now, -43 minus 18 is going to give us 61. So look at it. From this diagram, you can tell that 61 is less than -32. So that's it for question number comparing each inequalities. That's it for now. The next one, which is solving and graphing each inequality, is going to come